From our daily Bible reading of Esther 5:7, it says, Vat'an, and answered Esther. So Esther answered, Va and Tomer, and said. So Esther is answering and saying, this is what she wants from the king. Shelati, my petition, and Bakashti, and my request. And that's what she's about to explain. And the Greek Septuagint, which you will quickly notice, this does not have Esther's name in it. And so it does not say, and answered Esther and said. It just says, Keopen, and said. So the atema, the position, or the petition, my petition, ke and, so axioma, and the request, my request. Now the Aramaic Targum to Esther 5:7 adds a lot of material, and so let's look over that here. But we still have the basic framework from what we had before, and so we still have our request, and we're still going to have our petition down here, and then we have a bunch of stuff that is also added. So let's take a look at that right now. It says va and ativat, and answered Esther. So Esther answered va and amrit, and said, late, not ana, I. So I am not, ba'aya, I am not seeking, palgut, division, Malkuta, of the kingdom, and that aleph at the end is the definite article. I'm not seeking the division of the kingdom, but in shalti, in my request. So again, we have this is her request, like in the original Hebrew, but I'm not seeking the division of the kingdom in my request. Va and lot, and not banyan, and not in building, beit, a house, ma, which is a place of, mukdesha, and that ending aleph is going to be our definite article, a house of holiness, or a sanctuary, a holy place, and not seeking to build a holy sanctuary, in ba'uti, in my petition, which she's about to talk about the Jews. And so she's not seeking to build a holy house for the Jews. She's not seeking to divide the kingdom in her request or her petition, but instead, we're going to see what she says. And taking a step back into Targum Shemi on Esther 5:7, it says, Va not, and answered Esther. So Esther answered Va and Amarat, and said, Sha'alti, my petition, and Bavti, and my request. And you can see how that extra material fits in very nicely into these two sections.